This is what it looks like outside right now. Nothing. You can't really see much at all. This is coming from our Nissan Stadium camera. Typically, we have the skyline there in the distance along with the river. This morning, the fog is so intense in spots, you are down to nothing. From Dixon to Nashville to Lebanon, back into Columbia, up and through parts of southern Kentucky. Again, the visibility is very, very low. Happy to report no rain right now, but as we head through the weekend, that will be changing. This area of low pressure that is back towards Texas and the Gulf is going to move to the north and east, and as it does so, we're going to see some showers in here on Sunday, potentially mixing with some really cold air diving in from the north. We could see some switchover and talk some wintry precip here in just minutes. But by 9 o'clock this morning, a mix of sun and clouds expected. I do think clouds fill in throughout the afternoon, and we could be calling for a few isolated showers along and south of I-40 later today. Heaviest of rain will be back down towards Alabama as some moisture squeezes through. 38 right now in Nashville, 36 in Murfreesboro, 34 right now in Columbia, and in Dixon, Camden at 36. Highs today going to be in the low 60s closer to the plateau if you live in parts of Cookeville, Sparta, Livingston, Cumberland County, all going to be in the low 60s. I-65 corridor from Springfield to Nashville back down to Lewisburg, 63 to 64 degrees. And a little bit further west, we'll be back near 64 from Waverly and into Dixon. As you head through the weekend, again, that rain really going to ramp up Sunday afternoon and into Monday, so let's time it out for you. Saturday afternoon looks great, so if you have plans this weekend, do them all on Saturday before the rain comes. The weather on Saturday going to be a little bit cooler as we'll be in the 50s. But the sun will be around. Sunday afternoon, the rain moves in from the south and west. Here it is by 7:30 on Sunday night. We'll be in the 50s. Some of the rain could be pretty heavy at times, mixing with that really cold air dipping in from the north. And we could have some switchover as early as mid-morning in southern Kentucky. So places like Hopkinsville back into Bowling Green, you'll be in the 30s, and we'll be hanging on to the 40s, but then quickly switching into the 30s. And this is where things could get iffy as we head into Monday night into Tuesday. Temperatures hovering right around freezing in spots. We could definitely see some patchy snow, and I do expect the snow to be out of here. It's not going to last long at all until Tuesday morning. Some of those places that could be dealing with it are a little bit further east, but notice the drop in temperatures in the 20s. I do think the main takeaway, though, is on early Tuesday morning because of the moisture on the ground dropping significantly into the 20s. We could be dealing with some really icy patches on the road, so that's going to be the main concern as we go through Tuesday morning.